How to mute or disable PS5 DualSense controller mic. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to mute or disable PS5 DualSense controller mic. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. To just simply turn off or on the controller mic, below the home button on the DualSense controller, there is a plastic button. Press the button and your mic will be muted to quick mute your entire PS5 system. All you need to do is hold the mute button until it begins to blink, and this will mute your microphone and your PS5 entirely. And to permanently disable your DualSense microphone, navigate to the Settings menu. Next, navigate to Sound and further navigate to Microphone. Here, set microphone status when logged in to mute. This will silence your microphone so you don't have to worry about people listening to your conversation. So this is how you can mute or disable PS5 DualSense controller mic. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.